Hello, everyone, and welcome to Kryptonite. So let's dive in.
If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel, and if you like the video at the end, click on the thumbs up.
Hello, and welcome to Kryptonite, the crypto investor channel. I'm Boris. So let's dive into gold prices versus crypto. Lots of people are talking about gold prices. They are saying, gold is always a great way to put your money and hedge it against inflation. Some people on Wall Street are also very high on putting their money into gold. So let's look a little bit what gold has done, over the past year, 10 years, 30 years, and let's compare it with crypto. So if you had put your money into gold over a year ago, you would have entered probably around 1950, the price of gold per ounce. And today you would be around, 1766. So not a great return. You would have lost actually about $200 an ounce of gold. So you would have lost already, quite a bit of money, about roughly a little bit over 10%. But if we look at gold over, let's say, 10 years, so that's a pretty long-term investment. But 10 years ago, gold was right around 1800 if you had entered in end of 2011. So roughly the same price than today. You would have seen your money melt away, in the mid 2010s. And then as it goes back up all the way to $2,000 an ounce in middle of last year, roughly. And now it's back down to 1766, so roughly about the same price on a 10-year. So on a 10-year, you would have made zero money. Now, the problem is $1,800 from 10 years ago is worth a lot more money than $1,800 from today. So realistically, you're not making any money. You're actually losing money because of the fact that the value is devaluating. So once again, not a great investment over a 10-year period. If we compare with, let's say, Bitcoin, and we look at roughly 10 years, actually on CoinGecko, they don't go back 10 years. They go back to 2013 when they start tracking. It was $123. But realistically, Bitcoin came out in 2009. It was literally worth just a few pennies, at first. Let's say that you were lucky to buy it in 2010. That was roughly about $1 then. If you buy it at $1 and today it is worth over $60,000, almost $61,000, well, that means that you would have multiplied your money by 60,000. So obviously investing just a few dollars, if you had invested $20 10 years ago in Bitcoin, only $20, you would have $1.2 million today. So that is probably the greatest return ever seen on any market anywhere. Just that simple. Because I don't know anything that in 10 years you take $20 and it turns into $1.2 million. If we look at gold and we go even further back, we can't go any further back because, obviously Bitcoin is just about 12 years old, 11, 12 years old. So we cannot go back any further, but gold we can because gold, of course, has been traded for much longer. So if we go back 20 years, you see that gold, you are at, let's say, $300-$400. So, $400, you multiply your money roughly by 4, slightly more than 4. So 400%, but in a 20-year period. So it's not an awful return, but redivided by 20 years, it is not gigantic either. If you do it over 30 years, the price is about the same. So roughly for 10 years, gold did nothing. Then it went up, then it came down, and it went back up. So over 30 years, roughly about the same, about a 4x, multiply your money by 4. let's see how long it would have taken, instead of 30 years, how long it would have taken for Bitcoin. If we say 1 year, if I go here and I buy in October last year at $11,000 and boom, I'm here. January, I'm at 40,000 versus roughly 11,000. So in a matter of 3 months, I could have had that return and it took 30 years for gold to do. That's the reason why today, and especially over the past few months, we've seen a lot of people that had gold and they have now taken that gold and changed it into Bitcoin. And they're seeing this more and more. And it is believed by most experts out there that Bitcoin is eventually going to overtake the gold market, meaning that in market capitalization, Bitcoin will be bigger than gold. Now, it's not going to happen overnight, but it will probably be just a few years before that happens. Maybe 5 years, maybe a little more, but probably before the end of this decade, we will see Bitcoin being larger in market cap. Cryptos in general, market cap being bigger than gold. Gold is roughly about 11 trillion dollars. The crypto market is about 2.5, 2.6 right now. So it's about a quarter right now of the gold market, but it will surpass it in probably just a few years. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I will see you next time on the next. I hope this video helps. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.
If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel, and if you like the video at the end, click on the thumbs up.